Exploring the world in detail, the magic of the compound microscope. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of science and discover the magic behind the compound microscope. This incredible tool opens up a universe too small for our eyes to see, and it has revolutionized the way we study and understand the world around us. Stay tuned as we explore what a compound microscope is, how it works, and why it's such a crucial instrument in both education and research. A compound microscope is a powerful tool used to magnify small objects that are too tiny to be seen by the naked eye. Unlike simple microscopes, which only have one lens, compound microscopes use multiple lenses to achieve much higher levels of magnification. This allows scientists, researchers, and curious minds to explore the intricate details of microscopic worlds, from the structure of cells to the texture of materials. Understanding the different parts of a compound microscope is key to appreciating its complexity and functionality. Let's break down the main components. Eyepiece or ocular lens. This is where you look through to see the magnified image. It usually has a magnification power of 10x. Objective lenses. These are located on a rotating nosepiece and come in different magnifications, typically ranging from 4x to 100x. By combining the power of the objective lens with the eyepiece, the microscope can achieve much higher magnification. Stage, the flat platform where the specimen or slide is placed. Focus knobs. These knobs adjust the focus of the microscope, allowing you to see the specimen clearly at different magnifications. Light source, a built-in lamp that illuminates the specimen from below, making it easier to see. The magic of the compound microscope lies in its ability to bend light. When light passes through the specimen on the stage, it then travels through the objective lens, which magnifies the image. This magnified image is then further enlarged as it passes through the eyepiece lens. This process allows users to see details that would be impossible to observe with the naked eye. Compound microscopes have a profound impact on many fields, including biology, medicine, material science, and education. They allow scientists to observe cells, bacteria, and viruses, leading to breakthroughs in medical treatments and understanding of life itself. In education, they provide students with hands-on experience in observing the microscopic world, sparking curiosity and a love for science. We hope this video has illuminated the fascinating world of the compound microscope and its significance in our quest for knowledge. Whether you're a student, a scientist, or simply someone curious about the microscopic world, the compound microscope is your gateway to discovering the unseen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content. Stay curious, and keep exploring.